Welcome to Loafers. In this video, we'll be unboxing Lenovo K5 Guide Note. So let's get started. So this is Lenovo Guide K5 Note. We ordered it from Flipkart at 13,000 rupees. This is how it looks. Lenovo Guide K5. It has premium aluminum casing and Dolby Atmos audio with 5.5 full HD display and a fingerprint sensor. So this is a nice phone worth 13,000 rupees. You can buy it and it has a good deal. So it has a charger and a cable with it. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share the video and please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.